loves, welcome back to my channel. So you guys should have just saw how I customized this unit to my liking. The only thing that you probably didn't get to see is how I installed this unit. I show you guys how I install my human hair units on previous videos, so if you guys just check one of those videos, then you'll see exactly what I did. This time I used a bowl hole glue to glue this unit to my head. So let me just go ahead and give you guys the deets again if you didn't catch it early in the video. This unit is courtesy of TINASHE hair. They were kind enough to send your girl this gorgeous Kinky Straight unit. So this is actually a 360 lace front wig. It's in the length 22 inches and it is 250% density. Yes, you heard that correctly. Your girl has had 2 Kinky Straight units in the past, but this one is by far the most dense unit that I've had, and I'm absolutely loving it. Like, y'all, this unit is everything. Now, in the state of California today, it was roughly like 95 degrees, so your girl was struggling with all of this hair. However, we are currently moving into fall. That's why I have my little fall colors ready. And so yeah, this is definitely going to be a fall essential for me, as well as a winter essential. Now, we don't get too cold in California, but yeah, I am here for rocking this unit, which means that more than likely your girl will be putting up my other unit up for sale. And so yeah, you guys just have to stay tuned. I know that I have not done a wig sale in forever, but you guys will be glad to know that your girl's currently working on it. So although I love the fact that with Kinky Straight hair you can expect like the crinkles from, like, you know, the kinkiness of it all, I definitely wanted to straighten it just to see what kind of look it would give, and it's just like a blowout. Like, it's a thick blowout. I love the fact that it looks very natural compared to when I've tried like other textures. Sometimes the hair is like too silky for my liking. Sometimes it may be a little too shiny for my liking, but like, look at this. You see this natural luster right here? Okay, and just the thickness of it all, like, I'm just so here for it. And so yeah, I wasn't sure if I love 360 units because sometimes they can be a little bit more work trying to put them on your head, so that's why I just didn't even feel the need to try to install it on camera. But I actually love it. Like, I just adjusted it to my head shape, and then I cut a slit right here and put the rest behind my ear. So with 360 lace wigs, you just kind of have to adjust it to your head size and then hope that it works out. And so yeah, I love the fact that it came with a natural hairline. I didn't have to pluck this unit. I didn't have to even cut out any baby hairs. These already came with it. I did experience a few flyaways, so then that's when you guys saw me put this wax stick, which I'm gonna add a little bit more because I see a few kind of standing up right now. But yeah, so there was just a few flyaways, but y'all know, like I said, it's not enough to make me not wear this unit. So yeah, that was pretty much everything I can think to tell you guys about this unit. I'm absolutely loving it. So yeah, hopefully you guys have been loving the videos that I've been putting out. I know your girl hasn't been posting as, you know, consistently or responding back to your comments, and I sincerely apologize, y'all. I am trying to get back to the comments. I know I don't get back to them as quickly as possible. Please forgive me for that. I hopefully am trying to get to a good space with my job to where I can get back to a good place of responding to you guys. I think I always kind of responded late because I'm just always on the go, but understand that I do see your comments and I truly appreciate it. I appreciate every time that you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and so I just hope that you guys continue to do that moving forward. I hope that you guys are just having amazing it's end of summer now, we're moving into fall, an amazing September. I started my September on a digital detox, and your girl just kind of ran away, okay? And I do not feel bad about it. Your girl went to Palm Springs for the weekend and just was at one with nature. If you guys follow my Instagram stories, I tell you guys this all the time. If you guys want an inside scoop on what's going on with my life, then you guys will definitely follow me on Instagram. But yeah, I gave you guys an inside scoop on my weekend extravaganza by myself. Just being at one with nature, palm trees, mountains, desert, like, just had an amazing experience. I called it my solo retreat, and so that just really was the you know, time that I needed to kind of get back to me, okay? And so hopefully it reflects on camera, because when your girl's not feeling good, I know that I'm just not in the mood to film, okay? And when I'm just overwhelmed with work, I'm definitely not in the mood to film. So I'm definitely trying to give you guys content still. And so if you guys like this unit, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.